Hello traders, my name is Yaroslav Burchenko and I'm here to bring you another edition of the Psychology of Trading. We are going to talk about the house money effect and how you can maximize your profits. We'll teach you a new trading system, and also I'll teach you a way how to perceive your P&L. Let's get started. So the house money effect is basically a way of understanding, a way of perceiving that the profits that you make that are still open, perhaps you have open positions or money on the account that you still might use somewhere, they expose themselves to more risk when adding all these numbers up. But that's quite not the correct way to understand your trading account. We recommend using the method of parlay. Now that's a betting term, but when used in the financial markets, we also phrase it as the anti-martingale. So basically, earned money is not perceived as real profit until you close the position and until you get the money off your account. Now parlay is basically when you up your trade stakes after you have a successful trade. So basically, instead of trying to make your losses back, you go forward as you're making more money. Now, this system has a very good risk to reward ratio, and it's a very low risk way of ramping up your account, and it can get quite sizable. Your account can grow quite quickly when you use this system. Now, until a trader withdraws their profit from the account, they should not regard the balance as real money. More importantly, you shouldn't start building ideas for yourself in the future of how you're going to spend that money until you actually take it off the account. Until then, it is just a tool that you use to maximize your profits on the market. So in the heat of the trading moment, captured by strategies and trends, the trader should perceive their account basically as a set of numbers that help him to do his job. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys found it useful. Please go ahead and leave a like below the video. And if you have any more questions, go ahead and leave them in the comments section below. Also, if you have a social media page, go ahead and share this video there so people can see what you're doing, what you're up to, and know where to get that good information. Thank you guys. I wish you guys good luck trading out there. Peace.